Hey guys, it's Anthony with Probuilt Woodworking. I'm here in Franklin, Michigan in front of our fitness-driven project. This is a custom millwork project we have happening in conjunction with Campion Platt, New York-based designer and architect, and Dent. I'm going to bring you guys inside the project and show you what we have happening. All right guys, so coming into our main lobby here, the first thing you're gonna notice is a beautiful waterfall desk. This is a very, very cool design that Campion came up with, and we can't wait to bring this piece to life. Directly behind that reception desk is gonna be our 28-foot long custom white oak millwork wall. This thing's huge, guys. Basically, the idea of this piece is to create a partition between the lobby and the personal training studio. Directly down the way, we have our lounge area. This is gonna be a really nice custom space for the members, either prior or post-workout. They can come and kind of hang out. We are building a beautiful L-shaped sofa, very sleek, very contemporary. Again, very, very custom piece. As you can see, a lot of our pre-finished maple carcasses have been delivered. This is about half. We still have another delivery coming from the shop, but these are all for our large millwork wall. Let me take you guys in the back at our communal sink area where the guys are working on installing our cleating for our floating shelves. So as you can see, Mike and Steve are hard at work getting our brackets up. Essentially what these will become is brackets for our floating white oak shelving to slide and capture over. They're all domino tenoned together and built out of hard maple, so real rigid. This will allow these shelves to not sag over time as we slide those finished pieces in during install. Directly underneath our shelving, there's a really cool custom vanity under here, all concrete. It's gonna be really, really nice. Let's go back to our locker area. So this locker area is not gonna be your typical gym locker. We have some beautiful cabinetry that we've built in the shop that is going to wrap this entire corner here, starting with a bank of cabinetry here and a bank of cabinetry here. What ties these two banks of lockers together is a really neat contemporary slatted white oak floating bench. That floating bench will also match two custom benches that we've built on either side of this hallway. Let me take you guys to the personal training sink area. So this little niche is what we're calling the personal training sink. This is going to be direct access into the personal training space. We have a white oak surround that will essentially get scribed into our brick wall, and a stone top on our base cabinetry that will kind of waterfall up that wall. Between our two partitions, we have some beautiful contemporary floating shelves that kind of tie that whole contemporary theme together. So all in all, guys, this project has been a pretty labor-intensive build, but it's been an absolutely fun build, and we can't wait to bring this thing to life. We're getting really close. For more info on this project and all of our other current projects, make sure you guys are following us on all of our social media channels at YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Bye for now.